Hi guys, rubber band power time. I made this sort of bat helicopter in one of the episodes for flying outdoors. I'm now thinking of chopping it down in size, making the rotor arms or propeller blades much shorter and using it indoors. I'm going to rig up a line from that end of the kitchen right the way through to here and see if we can get it to fly along the line. You'll see what I mean. Well, that's what I've done. I've just hot glued a drinking straw onto one wing. And as you can see, I've cut the propeller down quite significantly. Actually, I think I've cut it down too far, and we are struggling for power now. We're not getting anything like the distance I was hoping. We are pointing uphill, so it is struggling harder than it needed to if I was able to get it completely level, but I don't have any convenient hooks at the right height. Anyway, I'll wind it up and we'll see what happens. Okay. So we're getting about 2 meters. I could just go and try it coming downhill, see if that makes any difference. Okay, heading downhill instead. Did the full distance with a bit of downhill on it. So obviously I'm asking a lot, making it try and go up the slope. I wonder if I can chase it with the camera next time. Right, now I can launch this and let it go at the same time. Yeah, right, so it works if I give it a little bit of a downhill slope. I'll see if I can rearrange my position somehow so we can get it running level. I've repositioned the height of the line so it's as close to horizontal as I can get it. So we'll go and have another go. Might need some more bands because it tends to eat them at the moment. Well, that worked fine, except I didn't have all the lights on, so we'll give it another go with the lights on, see if that makes it any easier to see. Try and get a couple of passing shots as well. summary time. My helicopter bat that I made in an earlier episode. Cut down the rotor on it to much smaller so it doesn't actually hit the line, and then just hot glued drinking straw onto the line so it slides up and down. The line is actually horizontal now. When I started this I had it going uphill and it was struggling, but we're now horizontal. I can put the camera on the tripod and it just rests underneath the line at both ends, so it is horizontal, which is not bad for about an 8 metre run. So that works. Pleased with that.